Sum number 1. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle met by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So here, if you refer your textbook, the diagram is already given, so we need to take according to the textbook here. So here we have considered a right angle triangle and given here A, B, C, and here given 20 meter, and the angle made with the rope and the ground is given here 30 degree, and we need to find the height of the pole. So that means here, according to this figure here, AB is the pole and AC is the rope where we have tied at the top of the pole and the point on the ground, and the angle made with the rope and the ground is given 30 degree, and the length of the rope 20. We need to find the height of the pole. So that means here AB represents a pole, so we consider here letter H. So now we are asked to find the height of the pole, so consider here, let the height of the pole be small letter h, say meter. So after that here AB, here we know that AB the height of a pole and denote by letter H, and AC the length of the rope we have known here 20 meter, followed by the take the equiangle, that is a angle BCA, or it can be also taken ACB, which is equals to 30 degree. Now consider the given figure here. Now that is a in right triangle ABC. So ABC. So now given here AC, which is the hypotenuse side, and we need the AB, which is our opposite side. So what ratio can be formed with the opposite and hypo or opposite? So since here the question is related with the hypotenuse side is given, so which means we can take the ratio of sine theta. So taking the help of the sine ratio, so sine theta is given here 30 degree equals to, we know that sine theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse side. So opposite side, so opposite of 30 degree we have AB. So we have here AB, hypotenuse side which is AC. Now we can substitute. Sine 30 degree value is 1 divided by 2 equals AB unknown, so we have labeled small letter h, AC the length of the rope 20. So now take a cross multiplication, 2 times of h equals to 1 into 20 equals to 20, therefore h is equals to 20 divided by 2, then h equals to 2 table we get here 2 into 10 meter. So hence the height of the pole is 10 meter. Sum number 3. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at the angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each cases? So here the first category we take here are children below the age of 5 years. So a contractor wants to install a slide for this group of children, so whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. So here the height is 1.5 meter. So after that we consider this will be a ground. So now we can place here a slide. The angle made or inclined with the ground and the slide here is given, that is a 30 degree. So 30 degree. So now here always right angle And after that here we can label a letter A, B, C is a right angle. Now here we need to find the length of the slide for the children below the age of 5 years, which is, we assume here, consider X. So for the children below the age of 5 years, so here the slide here, the length of the slide we are considering X. So here AC equals to X. And after that here the height given here BC equals to 1.5 meter, followed by the equity angle, that is BAC, which is equals to 30 degree. So with this information we can find the length of the slide. Now consider a triangle here. Now in right triangle we have here A, B, C. So here opposite side, and we need the hypotenuse side. Like I said before here, if the question relates with the hypotenuse side, then always try to take the ratio of sine. So now here take the ratio of sine. The angle is given here 30 degree equals to, and we know that sine theta is equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. So opposite side according to our figure BC and that of the hypotenuse AC. Now we can substitute the value here. Sine 30 degree, the value is 1 by 2 equals BC, the height is given here 1.5 divided by AC, we have labeled X. Now take here a cross multiplication. X equals to 1.5 into 2 equals to 3.0, which means after decimal point 0 we can cancel. So this will be the length of the slide for the children below the age of 5 years. Now the case 2, that is for the grown-up children, that is for elder children. So again here for elder children, a contractor wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter. So consider here the height is, we have here now 3 meter. Now here a ground. After that install here a slide. So the angle made by the line of sight and the ground is given here, that is a 60 degree. Now here always perpendicular. Now after that take a letter according to your convenience. So here since I've already taken here ABC, so other than that letter we can label for this figure. So P, Q and R. So which one is the length of the slide? So the slide here PR. So we can assume a letter Y. So now again here the same procedure you'll have to follow here for elder children. We know that here that is a slide here P R equals to Y meter, and that of here the height is given Q R equals to 3 meter, and the equity angle again QPR. So taking here QPR equals to 60 degree. So after that here consider the triangle here. Now that is a in right triangle PQR. So again here opposite side, and we need the hypotenuse side, which is our length of the slide. So again this question also relate with the hypotenuse side, so we can take the ratio of sine. So sine here that is 60 degree equals, we know that sine theta is equals to, yes, opposite side upon hypotenuse side. So opposite side we have here Q R, hypotenuse side we have here P R. So now take the value of sine 60 degree value is, yes, that is root 3 divided by 2 equals to QR, we have labeled there 3 divided by PR, which is we have Y. So now we take here a cross multiplication, so that will give here root 3 into Y can be taken here, Y root 3 equals, now again 3 2's are 6. So therefore we need only y value. Y equals to 6 upon root 3. So we need to rationalize here. 6 divided by root 3 into again root 3 multiplying by root 3. So which is equals to, we get here y equals to 6 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So we can cancel here 3 into 2 times. Then that is 2 root 3 meter is the length of the slide for elder children. Sum 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So let's we consider here a tower. So it will represent by a vertical line. After that here, that is a ground. After that here, that is the distance between the foot of the tower and the foot of a tower is 30 meter. Now here the angle of elevation take place. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. So on the ground we consider a point. From this point the person that is the angle of elevation take place on the top of a tower. So from this point to the top of a tower you'll have to draw a line of sight. After that here the angle incline, that is the angle made by the line of sight and the horizontal line or the ground is 30 degree. So 30 degree. So we need to find here the height of a tower. So the height of a tower, this will be our height of a tower. So you can represent a variable h. And after that here the ground and the tower here, they can form a always perpendicular. So now you can name it any letters. So consider here A, B, C is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. So now here with the help of this diagram we need to find the height of a tower. So let the height of a tower be, we consider here BC. If not, we can take here a small letter h and the units here meter. Such that here I have labeled AB, that is the ground. AB be the ground, which is equals to, given here 30 meter a distance from the foot of a tower and that of a given point. And here the height of a tower BC, I have denoted here a small letter h. And after that the equiangle. So equiangle, which is equals to take this one we have here BAC. So angle, that is a angle BAC, which is equals to 30 degrees. So this will be the given information. With this information we need to find the height of the tower. So now we consider the given triangle here in right triangle ABC. So we have here ABC. So now which ratio we need to take here? We need here the given information, opposite sides and hypotenuse, that is a adjacent side. So the ratio formed by opposite and that is a adjacent is equals to, yes, that is a tan theta. So take the help of the ratio of a tan theta is we have here 30 degree, which is equals to, so now tan theta is equals to opposite side is divided by adjacent side. Opposite side we have here according to our figure, so BC, and that of the adjacent we have here AB. So now we can substitute the value here, which is equals to tan 30 degree value is, yes, that is a 1 divided by root 3. BC we have labeled here, which is small letter h, and that of AB we have here 30 meter. Now take a cross multiplications here. So taking the cross multiplication we get here h into root 3 equal to h root 3 also equals to, which is equals to, we have here 30. So therefore h is equals to, we have here 30 divided by root 3. So now we can rationalize here. So 30 divided by root 3. So after that here multiplying by root 3 on the both places. So equals to root 3. That is also equals to, we have here 30 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 equals to 3. So these two we can cancel here. 3 into how many times? That is 10 root 3. So now what we need to find? The value of h here. So now hence we can say that here, hence the height of the tower is, we have here 10 root 3 meter. Sum number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. So here, according to our questions here, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. So let we consider here a kite, and the height of a kite from the ground level, which is we have here 60 meter. So consider after that now the ground here. Now on a ground you can select a point. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60. So let we consider here a string of a kite. So the string and the ground met an angle of here a 60 degree. After that here, we need to find the length of the string. So which one is the length of the string? That is hypotenuse side becomes the length of the string. And here one thing we need to remember, that is there is no slack in the string. That is the length of the string, there won't be any loosed. So here we just consider here the length of the string be x meter, and after that we can label here always here the ground and the here this line form a perpendicular. Consider here a letter A, B, C, be a right angle triangle, right angle at B. So now we consider or assume here let the length of the string B, consider here x meter. After that here from the given figure we can make out here, I've labeled here the string AC, which is equals to x meter, and here the height of a kite from the ground level BC, which is we have here 60 meter. And after that the equate angle we can see here BAC, that is angle A 60 degree. So we consider here BAC, which is also equals to 60 degree. So with this information we can find the length of the string. So now in right triangle we have here A, B, C. So now which ratio we need to take here? So here opposite side is given and we need the hypotenuse side. If the question is related with the hypotenuse side, then try to take always a ratio of sine theta. So now here taking the ratio of sine, and the theta is given here 60 degree, and we know that sine theta is equals to opposite side is divided by hypotenuse side. So opposite side we have here BC, hypotenuse side we have here AC. Now take the value of sine 60 degree, and the value of sine 60 degree is, yes, that is a root 3 divided by 2 equals to BC we have labeled 60, AC I have labeled here x. After that here take a cross multiplication, root 3 into x equals to x root 3, or we can also write root 3x. Now 2 into 60 equals to 120. Therefore we need the value of x here. X equals we have here 120 upon, that is root 3. After that here we need to rationalize x equals to, we have here 120 upon root 3. So multiply by root 3 at deno and numerator plus. That will give here 120 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is only 3. So we can cancel this to 3 into how many? Yes, that is 3 into 40. After that, left with root 3 meter. So what we are asked to find, that is the length of the string, and where we have denote a letter x. So here I've got the value of x, which means we have got the length of the string. So hence we can say that here the length of the string is, we have here, that is a 40 root 3 meter.